In dairy farming, udder health is everything. It directly impacts milk production, milk quality, animal welfare, and farm profitability. A cow's udder is the most valuable asset on a dairy farm, and keeping it healthy is not just about preventing disease, it's about maximizing efficiency, reducing losses, and ensuring a sustainable future for the herd. Poor udder health can lead to mastitis, a painful and costly disease that affects milk yield, quality, and overall farm economics. The udder health score is a measure used to assess the overall health and condition of a cow's udder. One of the most critical indicators of udder health is the somatic cell count in milk. Somatic cells are white blood cells that naturally occur in milk to fight infections. However, an elevated SCC is a warning sign of udder inflammation or mastitis. A healthy udder has an SCC below 200,000 cells ml, indicating a low risk of infection and good milk quality. Subclinical mastitis has an SCC between 200,000 to 400,000 cells ml, where infection may be present, but no visible symptoms are observed. Clinical mastitis has an SCC above 400,000 cells ml, showing visible signs of mastitis such as swelling, redness, or abnormal milk. Maintaining a low SCC and preventing mastitis is crucial because higher milk yield results from cows with healthy udders. Better milk quality leads to low SCC milk, fetching premium prices in the market. Less antibiotic use reduces the need for treatments and ensures antibiotic-free milk production. Improved cow longevity means fewer culls and longer productive lifespans. And cost savings occur as mastitis treatment, lost milk, and discarded milk lead to economic losses for farmers. Technology has revolutionized udder health monitoring, making it easier to detect early signs of infection and take preventive action. Real-time milk analysis technologies, such as the Echo Milk Horizon Unlimited Analyzer, provide instant SCC readings, allowing farmers to track udder health daily. These advanced tools help in early detection of mastitis before visible symptoms appear, reducing milk wastage by isolating infected cows early, monitoring herd health trends to improve overall farm management, and optimizing treatment plans by identifying problem cows and assessing treatment effectiveness. In addition to technology, proper dairy management practices such as good milking hygiene, pre- and post-milking teat disinfection, dry cow therapy, and balanced nutrition play a critical role in maintaining udder health and low SCC levels. Healthy udders are the foundation of a successful dairy farm. Investing in preventive health measures, early detection tools, and best milking practices ensures higher milk productivity, better milk quality, and reduced veterinary costs. By making udder health a top priority, dairy farmers can secure long-term profitability, improve animal welfare, and contribute to a more sustainable dairy industry.